Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Angie and I'm going to redo my video of the EDC that I put up earlier. As I told you earlier, this is the bag. And if you hear noise, I do have on my fans. It's a bag that I brought back with me from off my trip. I do have, sorry for hitting the camera, I have this cross with a few charms on it. I have a butterfly, an anchor, a bird, and a wing. And without further ado, I'll go right ahead and get started. I have gloves for the pumping gas. I have a back scratcher. I have Icy Hot, a pen, I have a Bible, mask, I have a silicone travel straw from Dollar Tree. I have BioFreeze, another mask. I have a keychain bottle opener with lead light. I have poopery. I have a heat wrap for pain relief. I have cortisone cream. Clorox wipes. I have a highlighter. Orange Crush, body spray, and cotton candy, a mirror, I have a lip balm, a cube, I have another highlighter, batteries, I have Lysol, I have this bag chunk full of stuff, I have nail clippers, a thermometer, Dove body cream, flushable wipes, and another highlighter. And the bag is empty. In this bag, I have Gentiers for dry eye. I have Tylenol in that little bag. I have a face cloth. I have tissues. I have floss. Down there wipes. Toothbrush. A mask. Toothpaste. Hand sanitizer. Paper towel. Scissors, a stylus pen, safety pin, I have some crazy art markers, wet ones, alcohol pads, Band-Aids. And that is all that I have in this bag. If this is your first time joining us, welcome, welcome, welcome to my Ride or Dies. Welcome back. I'm so glad that you clicked on this channel and decided to watch. Please leave me a nice, wonderful comment at the bottom. Share the video. Click the like. Click the subscribe button. And hit the notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.